In Trimble Business Center Survey Advanced Edition, you also have some ability to work with some photogrammetry tools. One in particular is the rectified image command. On the photogrammetry tab, you will see there's a rectified image. When you select that, it brings up the create rectified image. What this does is it creates a 2D ortho image from photo images that were captured with a total station or other Trimble Vision enabled instrument. In this case, I have an SX10 data set, and I have the station view that I want to create the image from. And with the addition of a plane, so you would define your plane, and then when you would click OK. The software will take the multiple images that the SX10 took and compile them into an ortho image or a rectified image. It'll take a couple seconds to process, so I've already processed this particular image, and you can see here if I open up, it saves it out and it's going to create a PNG, and you can see the image. It's got the text, so it is rectified with the coordinates, and as well as it'll create a folder with the tiles that were used to create that. So if we take a look at this, this is now the rectified image created from the photo scans.